Good morning, students. Today we are going to see type 6. In the last class, we have seen type 4 or 5, that is integration by parts. We have seen two formula, integral of UdV using Bernoulli as well as UV minus integral VdU. Today here we are going to see type 6 integration formula. That is, first formula is integral of f of x the whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Next, second formula is integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to, that is, whenever we are having the differentiation of the denominator in the numerator, we will have log of modulus of f of x plus c. Next, formula number 3, integral of f dash of x divided by root of f of x. In the previous formula, there is no root. In this formula, here we are having root. So, we have to write the formula as 2 root of f of x plus c. So, here we are having f of x in the denominator, f dash of x in the numerator. The formula is log of f of x. In the denominator, if you are having root of f of x, the formula is 2 root of f of x. Next formula, formula number 4, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, the formula is e power x f of x plus c. So, whenever we are having e power x f of x plus differentiation, then we can write e power x f of x. Now, the formula is 5. Formula e power ax. E power ax into a f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power ax f of x, that's all. E power ax f of x plus c. Okay. So, here we are having e power ax, while you are doing the differentiation, a will be that. So, a f of x plus f dash of x dx means e power ax f of x. That's the formula. Okay. So, we have seen 5 formula. Using this 5 formula, we are going to do exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. Integrate the following. Okay. Problem number 1. 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 5x minus 7. Okay. So, now you can see that the differentiation of denominator. What is differentiation of denominator? X square plus 5x is 2x plus 5. So, the differentiation of denominator is in the numerator. So, we are going to apply the formula f of x divided by f dash of x dx is equal to log of modulus of f of x plus c. Okay, so this is the formula here we are going to apply. So, when you are taking the integral with dx, the answer will be log of denominator, that is, sorry, it is in the numerator. The differentiation should be in the numerator. Okay. So, log of f of x, x square plus 5x plus minus 7 plus c. So, this is the answer for problem number 1. Now, problem number 2. It is e power, let us take integral, e power 3 log x divided by x power 4 plus 1. Okay. Now, we can take write this as using the power rule, e power log x cube divided by it is x power 4 plus 1 dx. Now, you can say that e power log a is nothing but, we know that formula, isn't it? E power log a is nothing but a. So, using this formula, we can write this as, this is equal to x cube divided by x power 4 plus 1 dx. Okay. Now, listen to this. This is x power 4. So when you are differentiating this, we will get 4x cube. But here we are having only x cube. So multiply and divide by 4. So multiply and divide by 4, x cube divided by x power 4 plus 1 dx. Okay. So this can be written as 4x cube. Outside you are having 1 by 4. 4x cube divided by x power 4 plus 1 dx. Okay. Now we can easily say that the differentiation of the denominator is in the numerator. So we can write the term as 1 by 4 log of modulus of x power 4 plus 1 using the formula. Okay. So to use the formula, we have to multiply and divide by 4. So 4x cube is the differentiation of x power 4. So we can write 1 by 4 log of modulus of x power 4 plus 1 plus c. That's the answer. Okay. Now let us go with the next problem. Problem number 3. Integral of e power 2x divided by integral of e power 2x minus 2. Again the same thing here also. When you are differentiating e power 2x, you will get 2e power 2x. So let us multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So the term will become as e power 2x divided by e power 2x minus 2 dx. Now we can write this as 1 by 2 integral of 2 e power 2x divided by e power 2x minus 2 dx. So now you can see that the differentiation of the denominator is in the numerator. So we can apply the formula 1 by 2 log of modulus of e power 2x minus 2 plus c. So whenever you are having the denominator, the numerator can be expressed as the differentiation of the denominator. Okay. Now let us go with the next problem. Problem number 4. Integral of log x the whole cube divided by x into dx. So here we can write this as, let us take, let t is equal to log x. Let t is equal to log x. What is dt? Differentiating on both sides, dt is equal to 1 by x dx. So here we can write this now. Log x, in the place of log x we can represent as t cube divided by 1 by x is nothing but 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is nothing but dt. So we can write it as t cube dt. So what is the integration of t cube? It is t power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Now change the place of t as log x. Log x the whole power 4 divided by 4 plus c. So this is the answer for next question. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Problem number 5. Integral of 6x plus 7 divided by root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1 dx. Now in the denominator you are having the root. What is the differentiation? 6x plus 7. It is in the numerator. So here we are going to apply the formula f dash of x divided by root of f of x dx is equal to 2 root of f of x plus c. So this is the formula here we are going to apply. So this can be easily written as 2 into root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer for problem number 5. Okay, now let us go with problem number 6. Problem number 6. 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now let us do this problem. And now taking the integral, we are having 2 as common in this. So take 2 outside. It will become as 2x plus 1 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now here we are having the formula as, here we are having the term as, this is differentiation of this term. X square is 2x. X is 1. So we can write this as f dash of x into root of f of x dx. Okay. So what is the formula for if f dash of x into root x is there? We can write it as 2 f of x whole to the power 1 by 2. This can be taken as f of x whole to the power 1 by 2. This is f dash of x into dx. So what is the formula here? We know that is f of x whole power n into f of x dx is equal to f dash of x. Okay, is equal to f of x the whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the formula for this. So in this place here we are having f of x whole power 1 by 2, that is x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2, and f dash of x is near to that. So here we can apply this as f of x whole to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here we are having 2 again. 2 into plus c. So this can be written as 2 into f of x whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So we can take 2 to the numerator. So we can take 2 to the numerator. So we can write this as 4 by 3 into f of x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now we have to substitute in the place of f of x as root of f of x can be written as x square plus x plus 1. Okay, whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So whenever we are having this, so here the formula, here the form is we are having f dash of x into f of x. So into f of x means f of x is within the power of 1 by 2, because here we are taking f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Okay, let us take f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So f dash of x into root of f of x dx. So this root of f of x can be written as power 1 by 2. So using this formula, it is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So it is 3 by 2. By taking the 3 by 2 to the numerator reciprocal, we can write it as 4 by 3 f of x whole to the power 3 by 2. Now we can substitute what is f of x. So this is the answer for problem number 6. Okay. Now let us go with problem number 7. Okay, problem number 7. X power 8 into 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5. So we are going to find out the integration for this. Let us take f of x is equal to 1 plus x power 9. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to 9x power 8. Okay. So f dash of x is equal to 9x power 8. Here we are having only x power 8. So let us multiply and divide by 9. So the term can be taken as, the problem can be written as 9 divided by 9 into integral of x power 8 into 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5 dx. Okay. Now taking 9 inside, 1 by 9 integral of 9x power 8 into 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5 dx. Again the same formula here we are going to apply. That is, the formula is integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula here we are going to apply. So what is f of x now? 1 by 9 can be written as it is. F of x is 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5 it is there. So we have to add with 1, 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. So the answer is 1 by 9 into 6 is 9 6 are 40, 54. 9 6 are 54. 1 plus x power 9 whole power 6 plus c. So this is the answer for problem number 7. Okay. Now let us go with the next problem. Problem number 8. X power e minus 1 into e power x minus 1 divided by x power e into e power x. This can be splitted as x power e minus 1 plus e power x into e power minus 1. We can write like this, divided by x power e plus e power x. Okay. Now this can be rewritten as x power e minus 1 plus e power x divided by e whole divided by x power e plus e power x. So we have splitted the term with the same base. E power x minus 1 can be written as e power x into e power minus 1, and it can be written to the denominator as divided by e. Now this can be taken with the LCM. So when you are taking the LCM in the numerator, e should be multiplied here. E x power e minus 1 plus e power x, we can bring the denominator to the denominator, that is e can be taken to the denominator, e into x power e plus e power x. So we can write like this now. So after writing this, we can take now what is f of x. What is f of x? F of x can be taken as the term which is in bracket x power e plus e power x. What is f dash of x now? F dash of x is equal to x power e. X power e is nothing but x power n formula. So e x power e minus 1. E power x differentiation is e power x. So we can see that it is in the numerator. So the denominator is in the differentiation of the denominator is in the numerator. So here we are going to apply the formula as, let us write down the question. X power e power minus 1 e power x minus 1 divided by x power e into e power x dx is equal to, here we can write this as, using the formula you can easily write down this as 1 by e into f dash of x divided by f of x. So we can write it as log of modulus of x power e plus e power x plus c. So you can easily write down the answer. So first step, we have to split the terms as e power x divided by e, and taking the LCM we can make the e to the denominator and we can write like this. So using the first formula we can write the answer for this. Okay. Again the problem is 9 1 by x log x. So let us integrate this dx. So let us consider let t is equal to log x. So what is dt? dt is equal to 1 by x dx. Okay, here we are having 1 by x dx. Okay, now we can write the form of t, that is integral of 1 by x dx is dt and 1 by it is 1 by log x. So 1 by t dt. 1 by t dt. So 1 by t dt means we can write it as integration of 1 by x is log x. So we can write it as log t. Log t plus c. What is t? We are having log x. So log of modulus of log x plus c. Okay. So already we have done a problem like this in UDV method. So again the same problem but in the using the formula. Okay, 1 by t can be taken as log t. So the answer is log of log x. Okay, Now, within this today enough. So totally 9 problems is over. So you can do the homework in the examples. Similar to this, you are having examples 2.30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So similar to this, you can try with the examples 30 to 35. Okay. Tomorrow let us continue the class. Thank you, students.